folks. Welcome back. In today's video, I will share how to add asset icon to the app. So right now, if I render this app, this is I'm gonna render this app right now. I'm gonna place it here, and I'm gonna now. So you can see that there is no app icon present for this app, right? So we want to change that. So how do we do that? It's very simple. So assuming that you have a logo, app logo. So this is the variations I had worked on for my existing app. So let me pick this. So I'll just create and duplicate this. You need to ensure the dimension is 1024 by 1024 px. And then you need to export this. So I'll export this into desktop. I'll name this as YT icon, and then I'll save this, right? And then I'll come here into the assets window. You can see that you have three options. One is any appearance, dark and tinted. So any appearance works for, if you only upload any appearance, it will work the same for dark and tinted, but you can also individually select for dark mode or even when the user changes, to a tinted look. So for now, we'll just go with the any appearance mode. So I'll just double click on this and the Mac Finder will open up. I'll go to desktop and I'll select YT and then I'll select this. All right, so I've added the icon here and you can also the preview is over here. What we will do now is we will run this build. So I click on this small icon over here and we can see that it is building. So once the build is succeeded, it will automatically launch the app. And if I click on the small home icon, you can see that the app icon is installed. So this is how you add the icon asset. You can also do a dark version, and when you change the theme, it will change to the dark theme version of the logo. So short video. Yeah. Thank you guys.